Hey yo, check out my brother, Ike. So Ike loves me so much, and the bridge that we have fell, and he's here to renew the bridge so that I do not fall. So you must be wondering why he's dressed all like a ninja tortoise. It's because there are blood-sucking merciless mosquitoes here. So let me show you the bridge. This is the old bridge. It's very, very terrible. It's down to the waters, and personally, those waters, you'll see it later in the video. It's kind of deeper. Now it's not so deep anymore because of the sands and all, but it's still deeper. So let's go meet Ike. Now Ike is in the forest. As I said, we live in the forest. So Ike is in the forest. He's going to fetch huge tubers of woods to use as a urge. And those woods are pretty heavy, so let's go join him. Yeah, this house is not for sale or a sale, because the criminals always try to come sell the house. Nigeria. Meanwhile, the owner is available. She's alive, and there are people living in it, but the audacity people have to still want to sell. My brother got me a snail. He got me a snail. He's asked me to bring bag for him so that he can pack some more snail for me. Because I love snail.
That's a lot of snail. We'll use for the soup. See that?
Let's get ready to rumble.
Your smile,
give it up for the strongest man on earth. Ike the Batista. In there. His new name is Mike.
Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Apparently, he says he's going to get this. He's looking for trees that has this mount like this and cutting them, and he needs 6 of that. So he has gotten 1, so he needs 5 more. So he's done with this place. He's targeting these big trees there, and there are snakes, pythons in this bush actually. So I'm so terrified. Please be careful, okay? Ike.
Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm.
I'm not sure say the foundation where they do for you. I'm not sure say you enter ground well. Yeah. Please be careful. Such a hard-working young man. And he's for sale, okay? He's single, ladies. bridge. No, if you come out. Yeah, maybe we'll go tomorrow. Baptized. John the Baptizer. And then Jesus' brother. Holy crap, look at that. Greed. As you say, it drink my blood disappear for no die. You see? Greediness. Now greediness they worry this one. Greediness. So it's an hour and 30 minutes into this. So for the fact we don't have enough money to buy more boards and put handles left and right and add more boards and more sticks, right now it's solid. So watching me go through I'm not careful because it's very solid. That's Ike. My brother Ike is single once again. He's for sale. He's very hardworking young man. Yeah, he chose never to give birth until he gets married and find out his future mother of his kids. So, it's for sale, guys, please. The value is going higher and higher. Come for him, quick. Ah, my blocks there, yo. Now you put the blocks. Okay, it's okay. Come and eat. That's what it means, ladies, to have a male, masculine male in the house, okay? This is what they call masculine male, not those, not those ones. He doesn't stay with us. He has to come and see that this was done before he goes to work. Can you imagine that? Thank you, Ike. Jehovah bless you very much, okay? We appreciate you a lot, okay? If I was the one, I'll leave it. You guys will swim. Or swim. So finally, the bridge is completed. Then we have more boards. We keep adding. We go to construction sites and pick boards that are not being used. We'll come with that. Thank you, Ike. What should I buy you? Club should just live very nice. So what are they there to?